Hi, I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about where we stand right now because there's been a lot of noise around the market and its conditions as people are waiting to see what's going to happen with the economy and whether the Fed is going to lower interest rates, which is probably a baked-in situation. The question is how much and what that will tell. And there's a lot of nervousness, and frankly, I think that a lot of the kinds of reactions that are promulgated by the press are mostly to give them eyeballs and to get people excited so that they will watch more and tune in and talk about it and then go back and look at it some more. It's kind of a dopamine cycle, and I don't think it's healthy. And especially because when they talk about what the cause of things going up and down, usually I think they point at some kind of a recent news story, like the fact that maybe some company announced a pullback in hiring or something like that. And those seem to be something like way down the road of symptoms, but they're not causes. And I look at long-term cycles and I look at long-term behaviors, and that's the way I make assessments about what's happening in marketplace. So the bottom line is that in this particular situation, despite the fact that the companies that we own, 85% of the companies we own in our master portfolio are in a profit situation relative to the cost basis, what we paid for them. 15% that are underwater doesn't freak me out, and it shouldn't freak you out either. Let me say something about the situation with BROADCOM and with NVIDIA. Markets need to breathe. They can't always inhale. They have to exhale sometimes. And I want you to consider that when you think about the analogy of the airplane when we're running into some rough air and the captain turns on the fasten your seatbelt sign and you hear an announcement come over the intercom that says, okay, everybody, please return to your seats, and when we get through this rough air, we'll let you get up and move about in the cabin. This is not the time you're supposed to get off the airplane, okay? Take it easy. Don't freak out. Understand that we're watching. I've got an eye on what's taking place. We're not perfect all the time, but we've got pretty good numbers. And I'm comfortable with the fact that we can allow the market to breathe without being reactive. And that's the way you should handle it as well. So I just wanted to say hello, thank you for watching, and give you an update and make sure that you are aware of the fact that there's a sane hand that's operating the rudder in this ship. Okay, talk to you soon.